Now, we know, we knew they were going to hit their goals, but Marlisa, this was really quite great, wasn't it?
This was extremely exciting to be a part of and to watch. And one thing I want to mention here is even the 10% who missed their ultimate goal, they were within a couple pounds of their goal. So every single person had tremendous weight loss success. These products really exceeded my expectations. And when we looked at people who just used the SlenderX and Accelerate in addition to a healthy calorie counting meal plan, plenty of water, 20 minutes of walking at least 5 times a week, you know, the standard things that a doctor would recommend to try to solve your obesity issue or just to lose weight. We looked at people who just did a standard diet like that, and then people who used our SlenderX and Accelerate as well, and they lost 50% more weight using SlenderX than people who just dieted alone.
I mean, that must have made you very happy.
Yeah, that was really, it really exceeded my expectations. I was blown away with the results.
And you know, it's like, it's why we call it our X factor. It's that extra push, that extra support to help you release that fat. And that's fantastic. And when you look at our clinical trial results, I mean, let's get the exact numbers here. On average, women in the trial lost 1/2 pound a day using our products. And on average, men lost 2/3 of a pound using our products. And Marlisa, is this what you expected?
Oh, not at all. I didn't expect to have results anything close to that. I really figured best case scenario that if we compared this program, the ultimate program putting all these different components together, I expected if we compared this to prescription drug weight loss programs that I've been a part of before, I guessed that people would lose just under 1/2 pound a day. But our results were almost twice as good as that. And when people used the entire SlenderX family of products together, we really had phenomenal results that just kept me in suspense every time I checked in with these people. It just blew my mind.
That's awesome. And I want to give you all a visual. See this visual of this gross, disgusting looking blob? This is 5 pounds of fat. And we had clinical trial participants lose that much in 6 days. And the slowest losers, the ones who lost it the slowest amount of time, lost it in 10 days. Think about it. In 10 days, you could lose that gigantic blob. I mean, honestly, Marlisa, how did the trial participants feel about their success?
Oh, they were so ecstatic. I mean, the results not only exceeded my wildest expectations, but it was just so amazing to be able to watch these people find new belief in their body's ability to get lean and healthy, many for the first time in years of trying to lose weight. A lot of these people were so hopeless at the beginning. You know, almost every single person in their entrance interviews was thinking that they would be the one person that would let me down in this program and that it might not work for them. So to watch them to go from being so hopeless and discouraged to exceeding all of our expectations, it was just really thrilling to watch these people emerge from the body and the beliefs that they had been trapped in and come out as energetic, lean, healthy people who had found belief in themselves again. Their confidence levels coming out of this program was just as impressive and amazing as their weight loss. It was really, really incredible.
And I know you worked with them for a long time because you did their measurements, you did their food blogs, I mean, you did their blood work, and so you really followed them and you ended up getting close to them. And I know it's emotional for you too because you really saw people transform their entire lives, and that's that's such a gift, and we're really grateful that you ran that. And I know the clinical trial participants, because I've met so many of them, we're just so grateful for the work that you did with them as well. Now, we've been talking about our other products, and what we've done as a company, you see, you can buy SlenderX and Accelerate all by itself, and it works, and quite frankly, it works great. And then we have a few other programs that are based on supporting you, that are based on what your needs might be. This is what we call our clinical trial program, and it's got all of our additional other products. And the great thing is when you add our other products that work within the system, we saw 3 times more weight loss. and in adding these supportive nutrients to the body really help the body get more success. And Marlisa, I know you have something to say about this as well.
Oh yeah, you know that this is my passion. I mean, you can call it the clinical trial program, but I call it the Stop the Insanity program. Because when used together as a system, the Slenderize family of products all work together for the best results. And because our program nourishes as it purifies your body, this activates your own healing mechanisms, eliminating the concern of rebound weight gain and ensuring record results in record time. So this is the key difference that makes our program so completely unique. While most typical diets require you to starve yourself thin and keep increasing your exercise to continue to see results, ours is the exact opposite. We saw results that were twice as good as I've ever seen using any other program in a clinical setting. We accomplish these kinds of results by flooding the body with nutrition. Appropriate supplementation during weight loss provides the key nutrients that open the door to ultimate metabolism and hormone balance, which is so critical to have long-term weight loss success. We shut down inflammation with the healthy fats, and we clean the body from the stored toxins as they are released during fat burning. The result is that when your body is leaner and cleaner and its nutrient stores are at its peak, you have no cravings. You're not a candidate for rebound weight gain because the toxins that trigger the fat storage and the rebound are gone. And your brain is so happy and satisfied because it was not forced to starve. It was fed really, really well. So when you use the Slenderize system to rebuild your body with optimal nutrition and detoxification at the same time, you've chosen the solution to become lean and strong as well as healthier than you've ever been in your life.